Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll help you fix the Venmo payment declined, please try again later issue. If you're seeing this message, there are a few possible reasons why your payment isn't going through. Let's go step by step to troubleshoot it. First, your bank or card issuer might be declining the transaction outside of Venmo. This means the issue is with your bank, not Venmo. Try contacting your bank or card issuer to see if they block the transaction. Second, Venmo's security system may have flagged your payment attempt. Venmo has automated security measures that can sometimes block transactions for safety reasons. Now, here's what you can do to fix it. If you received a specific error message, follow the instructions in that message for guidance. Try adding money to your Venmo balance first, then use your Venmo balance to make the payment. Use a different bank account or card as your payment method. Sometimes switching to another payment method resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, try waiting a bit and making the payment later. Venmo may be temporarily restricting transactions. If you've tried all these steps and the issue still isn't resolved, contact Venmo support for further assistance. That's it for today's troubleshooting guide. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.